One last question, and I'm kind of bringing two questions into one. I promise this will be the last one.
Okay.
So it's around crypto and Bitcoin. The question is essentially like, if you're planning to take profit out in terms of crypto Bitcoin, what's the advice around like how to report it for your self-assessment, that kind of thing?
Well,
how to take it out tax efficiently.
if you're not a trader, i.e. you've owned Bitcoins and just sat on them and then decided to sell them, then the chances are that sale, any profit will be subject to capital gains tax. And then you would declare the capital gains tax on your tax return, and then you'd pay that, the tax on that in the normal way. So if, for the sake of argument, I sold some Bitcoins in the year ended 5th of April 24, that would go on my tax return, and I would have an obligation to pay the capital gains tax on 31st of January 2025.
Brilliant. Okay, guys, everyone's still on the call. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks for all the questions, because it is like, I'm normally pretty good at this, but I've been struggling to stay on top of it all and find the most relevant questions, because otherwise if we'd have answered every single one, we would have been here for weeks, let alone days. So any questions we haven't covered, I apologise. I take responsibility for that. But I think what we have answered, Chris, thank you. It's just been amazing, just absolutely amazing to have you here with us.
Not many people say that about accountants, but I've enjoyed it, so thank you very much.